Hey there, knowledge seekers. Welcome back to your channel name. Today we embark on a journey to the very edge of existence to explore the remarkable world of extremophiles. These aren't the cuddly creatures we usually encounter. These are life forms that laugh in the face of conditions we find utterly inhospitable. Extremophiles are microorganisms that make their homes in the most extreme environments on Earth, from scorching volcanic vents to the icy plains of Antarctica. They thrive where others perish, challenging our very understanding of what it means to be alive. Their resilience and adaptability raise profound questions about the limits of life, both here on Earth and perhaps on other worlds. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of extremophiles, where survival is a triumph against all odds. We will journey to boiling hot springs, venture into the crushing depths of the ocean, and explore the frozen wastelands of our planet. Prepare to be astonished by the tenacity of life itself. Our first encounter takes us to the fiery heart of volcanic regions, where scalding hot springs and deep-sea hydrothermal vents spew forth a seemingly lethal cocktail of chemicals and heat. Here, in this infernal cauldron, thrive the thermophiles, organisms that relish temperatures that would cook most life forms in an instant. Picture, if you will, the vibrant yellows and oranges of Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone National Park. These otherworldly hues are not the result of some geological quirk, but rather the living tapestry of thermophilic bacteria. These microscopic marvels, like the aptly named Thermus aquaticus, flourish in temperatures exceeding the boiling point of water. But how do they do it? These masters of heat resistance possess unique enzymes and proteins that function optimally at high temperatures, allowing them to carry out essential life processes with remarkable efficiency. Their cellular machinery is specially adapted to withstand the denaturing effects of heat, ensuring their survival in this scorching realm. Deep beneath the ocean surface, where sunlight never penetrates, another type of thermophile thrives, clustered around hydrothermal vents, spewing superheated, mineral-rich water from the Earth's core, are communities of extremophiles that challenge our understanding of life's energy sources. These remarkable organisms, like the tube worms that dominate these ecosystems, don't rely on sunlight for energy. Instead, they form symbiotic relationships with chemosynthetic bacteria which harness energy from the chemical reactions taking place around the vents. These deep-sea thermophiles, hidden away in their extreme environment, provide a tantalizing glimpse into the early days of life on Earth. It is believed that life may have originated in such environments where heat and chemicals provided the building blocks for the first organisms. From the searing heat of volcanic vents, we journey to the opposite end of the temperature spectrum, to the frozen wastelands of our planet. Here, in the glacial valleys of Antarctica, the depths of frozen lakes and the icy plains of the Arctic, another group of extremophiles, the Psychrophiles, have carved out their niche. Imagine, if you can, the biting winds and bone-chilling temperatures of the Arctic winter. The sun barely grazes the horizon and the landscape is locked in a perpetual freeze. Yet, even here, life finds a way. Psychrophiles, like the algae Chlamydomonas nivalis, paint the snow a vibrant shade of pink, a testament to their ability to thrive in this frozen desert. These cold-loving organisms possess unique adaptations that allow them to survive and even flourish in sub-zero temperatures. Their cell membranes are composed of special lipids that remain fluid even in extreme cold, preventing them from solidifying and rupturing. They produce antifreeze proteins that lower the freezing point of their internal fluids, protecting their delicate cellular machinery. The frigid waters of the Arctic and Antarctic oceans are also home to a diverse array of psychrophilic life. Fish, like the Antarctic icefish, have evolved unique adaptations to survive in these icy depths. They produce antifreeze proteins that prevent ice crystals from forming in their blood, allowing them to survive in temperatures that would freeze the blood of other fish solid. Psychrophiles are not just confined to Earth's polar regions. They have also been found in permafrost, a layer of permanently frozen soil found in high-latitude and high-altitude regions. These frozen environments, once thought to be devoid of life, are now known to harbor a surprising diversity of microorganisms. The ability of psychrophiles to thrive in such extreme cold has profound implications for our understanding of the limits of life. It suggests that life may be able to exist on other planets and moons in our solar system, where temperatures are far below freezing. Our next destination takes us to environments where life's essential solvent water becomes a source of stress rather than sustenance. These are the realms of high salinity, where the concentration of salt far exceeds that of the open ocean. Here, in salt lakes, evaporation ponds, and even within salt crystals themselves, thrive the Halophiles, the salt-loving Extremophiles. Imagine the shimmering expanse of the Dead Sea, its shores encrusted with salt, its waters so dense that you could float effortlessly on its surface. This hypersaline lake, nearly 10 times saltier than the ocean, might seem like an unlikely haven for life. Yet it teems with halophilic microorganisms, their vibrant colors painting the water's edge. Halophiles have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive in these salt-saturated environments. Some, like the alga Dunaliella salina, produce large amounts of glycerol, a type of sugar alcohol, to balance the osmotic pressure within their cells, preventing them from becoming dehydrated. Others, like the Archaeon Halobacterium salinarum, have developed specialized proteins that can function at high salt concentrations, allowing them to carry out essential metabolic processes. The vibrant colors of many halophiles, like the pinks and reds often seen in salt evaporation ponds, are due to the presence of carotenoids. These pigments not only protect the organisms from harmful ultraviolet radiation, but also act as antioxidants, shielding them from the damaging effects of high salt concentrations. Halophiles, with their remarkable ability to thrive in high-salt environments, have captured the attention of scientists for their potential industrial applications. Their salt-tolerant enzymes are used in a variety of biotechnological processes, from the production of biofuels to the treatment of wastewater. Prepare yourself, for now we descend to the most extreme environment on Earth. The Hadal Zone, the deepest part of the ocean, where the pressure can reach a crushing 1,000 times that at sea level. It's a realm of perpetual darkness where the water is frigid and the pressure would crush most life forms instantly. Yet even here, in this seemingly inhospitable abyss, we find the Barophiles, organisms that not only tolerate extreme pressure but actually require it to survive. Imagine, if you can, the weight of the entire world bearing down upon you. That is the reality for the creatures that inhabit the Hadal Zone. The pressure is so immense that it can distort the shapes of proteins and disrupt cellular membranes. Yet Barophiles have evolved unique adaptations to not only withstand this crushing pressure, but to thrive within it. Their cell membranes are composed of special lipids that remain fluid even under extreme pressure, preventing them from solidifying and rupturing. Their enzymes and proteins have adapted to function optimally at high pressure, allowing them to carry out essential life processes. Some Barophiles even utilize pressure-loving enzymes called piezozymes to enhance their metabolic reactions. One of the most iconic inhabitants of the Hadal Zone is the giant amphipod, a crustacean that can grow to over a foot in length. These scavenging giants, resembling oversized pillbugs, are superbly adapted to life in the deep. Their exoskeletons are flexible, allowing them to withstand the immense pressure, and their bodies are filled with a gel-like substance that helps to distribute pressure evenly. The discovery of Barophiles in the deepest parts of the ocean has revolutionized our understanding of the limits of life. It suggests that life may be able to exist in other extreme environments, both on Earth and beyond, where high pressure was once thought to be an insurmountable barrier. As we've journeyed from the searing heat of volcanic vents to the crushing depths of the ocean, we've witnessed the remarkable resilience of life in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. But the significance of extremophiles extends far beyond their ability to inhabit extreme environments. These remarkable organisms hold immense potential for advancing our understanding of life itself, inspiring new technologies and even aiding in the search for extraterrestrial life. One of the key contributions of extremophiles is their role in expanding our understanding of the limits of life. By studying how these organisms have adapted to survive in such extreme conditions, scientists can gain valuable insights into the fundamental requirements for life, both here on Earth and potentially on other planets. Extremophiles also provide a unique opportunity to study the early evolution of life on Earth. Many extremophiles are considered to be living fossils, representing ancient lineages that have remained relatively unchanged for billions of years. By studying these organisms, scientists can gain insights into the conditions that existed on early Earth and the processes that led to the evolution of more complex life forms. Beyond their scientific value, extremophiles also have enormous potential for biotechnological applications. Their unique enzymes and proteins, adapted to function in extreme conditions, have proven to be invaluable tools in a wide range of industries. For example, enzymes from thermophiles, stable at high temperatures, are used in PCR, polymerase chain reaction, a technique that revolutionized molecular biology and in the production of biofuels. Enzymes from Psychrophiles, active at low temperatures, find applications in the food and textile industries, while enzymes from Halophiles are used in the production of detergents and other household products. The search for new and useful enzymes from extremophiles is an ongoing area of research with the potential to unlock even more biotechnological innovations. Perhaps most tantalizingly, the study of extremophiles has fueled speculation about the possibility of life beyond Earth. If life can thrive in the most extreme environments on our planet, then it stands to reason that it could also exist in the harsh conditions found on other planets and moons. The discovery of extremophiles has profoundly shifted our perspective on the nature of life itself. It has shown us that life is far more tenacious and adaptable than we ever imagined, capable of thriving in environments we once thought impossible. As we continue to explore the world of extremophiles, we can be sure that these remarkable organisms will continue to surprise and inspire us, revealing new secrets about the universe and our place within it. And so we conclude our journey into the world of extremophiles, these masters of adaptation, these survivors on the edge. From the boiling cauldrons of volcanic springs to the crushing depths of the ocean, we have witnessed the extraordinary tenacity of life. These remarkable creatures, thriving where we would not dare to venture, challenge our very definition of what it means to be alive. They remind us that life is not limited to a narrow band of conditions, but rather is a force of astonishing resilience, capable of adapting and flourishing in the most unexpected of places. As we continue to explore our planet and beyond, we can be sure that extremophiles will continue to surprise and inspire us, revealing the boundless possibilities of life in the universe.